Do you have a problem sometimes when your bamboo shades break on the back like that? How do you fix that? Well, I've come up with a way to easily fix it just by using 2 wire ties and a clipper. Let me show you. This is what it looks like when it's not working properly. It's not going up all the way, so you can see that the bottom's not connected. But let's go ahead and fix that. First, just locate where the string broke. That's usually what's holding on that little ring in the back. And then just carry it across and you should see the other one. So on this one, both of them are broke. What happens when those rings are not connected, the shade will not go up properly. So let's insert the wire tie. So I just bring it in from the back, the wire tie, and then I'm gonna connect the ring on the other side, and then I'll do the same for the other side. Once you get it in the back, all you have to do then is tighten it and snip it, and then do the same for the left-hand side. This is the right-hand side from the back. Now you can see from the front where the wire ties are, so they're close to the bottom. And then I'm gonna pull this up as well so you can see how it works. So now it works fine. And then let's just let it down. It works just fine. So it's an easy fix. Use about the 3-inch or 4-inch wire ties, just the smallest ones, and you can see on the back how I clipped it, and on the other side. And you can use them for any of the rings that pop out or break. It's much easier than trying to tie a piece of string around the bamboo. This just is a quick fix, and it's really hardly noticeable. You really can't see it when you step back unless you know where to look.